Hey there, Stephen Christopher, founder of WIT Digital. And we're getting a lot of questions right now from clients and non-clients about what can we be doing right now. A lot of us as business owners, or a lot of businesses, have extra time on their hands. We don't want to use it sitting around watching the news and just kind of waiting for this thing to pass by and waiting to see how it's going to end. So they're asking, what can I do with my time when it comes to my digital marketing and my website? And one of the best ways that you can use that extra time right now is to spend some time going through your website. Spend some time looking at the content on your site. When's the last time that it's been updated? Have you been in business for 15 years, but maybe your website only says we've been in business for 10 years? There's a lot of these little things that we just forget about. We get busy as businesses grow, especially when the economy is really good, and we just forget about it. So now's a great time to go back through your website, look for ways and places to update content, ways to better tell your story, ways to better tell the services and the service areas that you offer. Maybe it's time to update that headshot of you that was taken 10 or 15 years ago. Now is a great time to look for those opportunities, because not only is that going to help with the conversion rate on your site and talking about your brand and sharing who you really are as a company within the community, but it's also going to help for SEO, for search engine optimization. Google wants a site that is updated consistently and provides relevant new information to the community. So it's a great time to go through and look at the site, look at the content on your site, and update some of those pages that haven't been updated for quite a long time. Another good use of time right now is social media. Just posting good information about your business. What are you doing to keep customers safe right now? What are you doing to help serve your local community? What specials are you offering? Show some behind the scenes about what's going on in your business. Do an employee highlight once a week. Take one of your team members and talk about them on social. Talk about them, their family. What are they doing right now? What are they passionate about as far as helping and serving your business as well as the community? It's not necessarily a great time to just make a bunch of offers on social media, but it is a great time to show ways that you are serving the community and that you're serving your customers and you're serving your employees right now. So just use this time to kind of get more out there about your business. Just walk around the office, snap a couple pictures of people. If your teams are working remote, have them snap a picture of them working on their computer and write up a little thing about it. People want to know right now just who you are as a company, and they're more likely to engage with you when you show that information. And the people that do this right now, the businesses that do this right now, are going to come out of this ahead on the other side, because the algorithms that Facebook and other social platforms use are going to pay attention to how often are you posting, what's the engagement on it. So even though, or even if the engagement isn't really, really high, don't get discouraged. It is a good use of time right now to just start talking more about your brand and what you're doing within the community. So those are just two tips of where you can use time right now, since a lot of us have a little bit of extra time. I get it that we're crazier and we're dealing with a lot of things coming at us, but there is a little bit of extra time in a lot of people's day, or at least somebody on your team is going to have a little bit of extra time, and this is a great way for them to spend it. That'll help your business right now and come out the other side a little bit better. I hope that helps. If you have any other questions, by all means, please post in the comments below, send us a private message. Me and my team would be very happy to help in any way that we can. We hope everybody in your world is happy and healthy. Wishing you the best. And just remember, we're all going to make it out of this. We're all going to come out the other side. Let's come out better and stronger than we were when we went in.